Well, good morning, students, and welcome to week two of selling. And this is a fun week. We kind of get into some cool things like ethics and how to influence but not manipulate your customers. And there's a lot of really good information that you're going to read through this week. So I want you to get started as soon as you can. So let's just take a look at what we have for the week two assignments. Um, there's a couple chapters. I want you to read chapters 2 and chapters 5. Also include links to those and PowerPoints here. There's two assignments, selling ethics assignment and selling challenges assignment. Um, so one of the first things you're going to do is you're going to read the difference between influence and manipulation. And just think about what this would mean to you. Like, do you want to have um, a salesperson try to manipulate you into buying something you're not comfortable with? Or do you want someone who has good influence to help you find the right product? And I think that's what we're really trying to get across to you as students is you're going to live a really short sales life if you are trying to manipulate. High pressure tactics are things that turn off people so fast. And I've seen everything in the form of sales for high pressure tactics. And, typically over many years ago, and it still happens today, car salesmen always had that bad reputation of a lot of manipulation and not enough influence. As a salesperson, you want to have enough knowledge to be dangerous and really help your customer find the product that fits them correctly, not necessarily what you think they should personally have or what you have low inventory of or anything like that. What you're trying to do is get them into the right product. So, if you have very good influence skills and skills of persuasion, that those are good things, right? Those are going to help you as a salesperson. But if you are trying to manipulate someone into getting something just because you want to get rid of it or you're going to make a high commission on it, people will see right through that and you're going to turn people off fast. Those reputations can be damaged pretty quickly too. So if you have any kind of a review site, a Google page or anything like that, people will get on there and review you poorly if you're going to be someone who manipulates. If you are someone that is selling a product that is useful for a customer and you help them find the right path to get there, you're going to get a lot more, uh, sales, and your reputation is going to be solid. So I really like this article here, and I think I should definitely have to read that. There is another thing called value proposition that we dig into a little bit here, and it's some really great reading, and it will take you a little time to go through all this, but it goes through the process of creating a good value proposition for your sales product. So, the best way I can describe a value proposition is what are you offering your customer that is going to help them solve a problem? And is it real? Like, can you actually live up to what you say in that value proposition? When you write it down, read it out loud, does it sound like BS or does it sound like something that can actually be done? And that's going to be really important that when you get into a career in sales, that you're able to create a strong value proposition that describes the services that you have and how you can be a solution to a customer's needs. There are many different processes that you can go through here and learn how to make a really good value proposition. Okay, there are some examples here, just a handful of examples there. After that, you're going to pop into this assignment. Okay, and this is a great little fill out a template assignment. This will be due on Sunday. There are just 3 questions here. Some have a couple parts. Type your response in over here, save it as a Word document, and upload it to the Blackboard, and make sure to select download and view when uploading it to the Blackboard. Okay. And then there's another assignment on ethics. It's the same concept. So those are both due on Sunday night. If you have any questions along the way when you're going through this, please let me know. And I hope you have a wonderful week.